A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Nursery, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of uppercase letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Alphabets का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. Now tell me the first letter of alphabet. Alphabet का first letter क्या होता है children? A. Very good. A for apple. Now draw with me. Put your pencil on the red line. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. From red line to the second blue line. Then a sleeping line on the first blue line. A for apple. Now the next letter is B. B for ball. Put your pencil on the red line. Draw a standing line. Draw a curve from red line to the first blue line. Now draw again a curve from first blue line to the second blue line. B for ball. B for ball. Now the next letter is C. C for cat. Now put your pencil on the red line. Draw a semicircle from red line to the second blue line. C for cat. C for cat. Now C for cat के बाद क्या आता है children? What is the next letter? D. D for duck. Put your pencil on the red line. Draw a standing line. Now draw a semicircle from red line to the second blue line. D for duck. D for duck. Very good. Now D for duck के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? E. E for elephant. Now draw with me a sleeping line on the first red line, then a standing line, then again a sleeping line, then one more sleeping line. E for elephant. E for elephant. Speak with me. E for elephant. Now E for elephant के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? F. F for fish. Now draw with me. Draw a sleeping line on the first red line, then a standing line from red line to the second blue line, then again a sleeping line on the first blue line. F for fish. F for fish. Now F for fish के बाद क्या आता है children? G. G for grapes. Very good. G for grapes. See here, draw with me a semicircle, sleeping line, standing line. G for grapes. Speak with me. G for grapes. Again, red line, from red line to the blue line you have to draw a semicircle, move upward, sleeping line, standing line. G for grapes. Very good. Now again semicircle, sleeping line, standing line. Very good. Now again semicircle, sleeping line, standing line. Semicircle, sleeping line, standing line. Very good. G for grapes. Again draw with me a semicircle, sleeping line, standing line. Now here you not have given the dots. यहाँ आपको dots given नहीं है, so आपको without tracing लिखना है. See here, put your pencil on the red line and draw a semicircle from red line to the second blue line. Move upward, sleeping line, standing line. G for grapes. Again draw with me. Draw a semicircle, sleeping line, standing line. G for grapes. Now one more time. Semicircle, move upward, sleeping line, standing line. G for grapes. Now in your homework you have to do revision and practice of uppercase letters. Then click a picture of it and send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है चिल्ड्रन? अपर केस लेटर्स की फुल पेज प्रैक्टिस करनी है. देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.